In this video, you will see how to insert checkbox in WPS Office Writer. There are various types of checkboxes available in WPS Office. Some text boxes are clickable and you can tick and untick in the boxes using your mouse click. It's very easy. So the first option is you go to the Insert tab here and you will see the option of Forms. Click on the drop down here and then you can select this option, checkbox from field. But remember that this box has a gray background. However, you can select the box, right click and go to the form field option here and click on checked. So this will add a cross in the box. So this is one method. The next methods are also easy. Just go to the Insert tab and this time we will make the use of symbols. Click on the symbols and you will see this window. Under the fonts here, type Wingdings, WINGDINGS, and then press enter on your keyboard. Scroll down a little and you will see here boxes. So this is a checkbox with the cross. Just double click on it and it will be inserted. Here are more blank boxes, so you can just click on them to insert them one by one. And there are even more boxes. Just go to the bottom of the page and you will see even more boxes here. So some are clickable boxes. You can just click on the boxes and then they will be ticked and unticked like this. You can also select the boxes and you can change the font size if you want to, for example 48, and if you want to change the color, you can change the color as well to make the list in WPS Office Writer. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem, and don't forget to check out these useful videos related to WPS Office Writer. See you again in the next one.